All right, hi third graders. It is Tuesday and we are starting a brand new math unit today. It's actually your last math unit, which is kind of exciting to think about. I wish that we were in school to kind of be like mini celebrating our last math unit, yay, but here we are, we're at home, so we'll still make the best of it, but it is your last math unit. So this unit is all about measurement. You're gonna learn about different types of measurement, how to measure weight and mass and the difference between those, and then also liquid measurements. And liquid measurements is where we're going to start today. So before you started, I did make note, hopefully you went through some of the vocabulary. This unit is going to rely really heavily on vocabulary and kind of understanding that. So make sure you check out the Spelling City link and just kind of review the vocabulary before you start. I think it'll just be helpful to kind of know what we're talking about. Other than that, we're gonna jump right in. First thing is we're gonna go over the Gallon Man. So he doesn't really look like a man, but he is the Gallon Man. And this, I still, honestly, I remember learning this in elementary school and I still will use this maybe from time to time or like reference it like in my head mentally and think, oh yeah, so how many quarts are in a gallon or how many cups are in a pint? Like it's just a really helpful, quick way to remember things. So I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna recreate this and I'll go through like what all this means. So the first thing, we got a big G. G stands for gallon because that is the biggest liquid measurement that we're working with today. It's not the biggest one in the world, but that's the biggest one we'll work with today. Easy things like a gallon of milk or a gallon of orange juice, they usually come in 1 gallon. That's where we would see that a lot. The next biggest measurement are quarts. So there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. So that's why I drew 4 Q's in my gallon, 4 quarts in a gallon. Some things at the grocery store will come in quarts, or like even just like smaller orange juice or smaller milk, you can still buy them as a quart. So then the next smallest is a pint. And there are 2 pints in every quart. Another good one for quarts and pints is maybe one of your favorite desserts, ice cream. A lot of times ice cream will come as quarts or pints, like the smaller ones. I guess ice cream comes as gallons too. Now I just want ice cream, but so there are 2 pints inside 1 quart. So there's 2 P's inside the Q's. And then there's also 2, 4, 6, 8 pints inside each gallon. 4 quarts in a gallon, 8 pints. That's why everything's like inside. Okay, and then the last measurement we're going to use is cups. So there are 2 cups in each pint. So cups are our smallest measurement we're gonna work with today. I'm gonna squeeze these seeds in here. Okay, so you can see they're whoops, it's flying everywhere. And there goes the marker. There are 2 C's inside, 2 cups inside each pint. There we go. And then if we were to count all of the cups, there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. There are 16 cups in a gallon. So take a lot of cups to fill up 1 full gallon. So for today, we're using liquid measurements and we are working with gallons, quarts, pints, and cups.